students, welcome to Next Education. So in my previous class I have discussed about the Europeans, Portuguese and English advent into India. So in our today's class I will discuss about the company's role in India. So before starting the class, so if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like and press the bell icon so that you get notification whenever we upload a new video. So তোমালোক যদি আজি প্ৰথমবাৰৰ বাবে চেনেলটো লৈ আহিছা তেতিয়া হলে সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবা, লাইক কৰিবা আৰু বেল আইকনটো প্ৰেছ কৰিবা যাতে নটিফিকেশন পোৱা যেতিয়া নতুন ভিডিও আমি আপলোড কৰো। থ্যাংক ইউ। So let's start our today's topic. So today's topic is what? Company's rule. So company's rule ki koa aise Robert Clive. So the second administration of Robert Clive was an important phase for British administration. So Robert, as we all know that Robert Clive was a diplomatic and he has a skill. So his second phase is very important for British administration in India. Amar India British administration of tumar ki asile Robert Clive was into second phase asile, hetu bahut important asile. In this period, a period to ki asile the British got the legal section as a ruling power in India. Okay, during the second phase of Robert Clive, the company got legal section as a ruling power. Amar India rule koribole eta legal section paisile. So Mughal Emperor Shah Alam, he homod Mughal Emperor Shah Alam asile, and he made a treaty with this company, okay, to give the authority of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa to the company. So Mughal Emperor Shah Alam, he made a treaty of Allahabad with the company to give power, means to give authority of Bengal, Bihar and Orissa. Bihar and Orissa. So এই তিনিখন স্টেটৰ কি দিছিলে তোমাৰ মানে এটা Mughal Emperor Shah Alam কি দিছিলে এটা authority দিছিলে to the company. So the company started what dual governmentship in Bengal. So government the company to ki korisile je dual governmentship start korisile. Okay, so dual governmentship duta dhoroner governmentship korisile. First what, as a the company, the British administration took the role of what, Diwani or collection of revenue. So British administration e ki korisile state ketar pra ki korisile tumar je toka revenue collection korisile, and civil, criminal and administrative unit was taken as a responsibility with Bengal Nawab of Bengal. Aru tumar ki asile jekhini civil asile, criminal asile, administrative jekhini responsibility asile hekhini ki asile je company aru Nawab of Bengal togetherly saisile. Okay, but collection of revenue okol kune korisile the East India Company. Jekhini toka asile hekhini kintu okol East India Company collect korisile, and other than that jekhini political mane civil hok, criminal hok ba administration hok hekhini ki korisile the company and the Nawab of Bengal took responsibility, dujone milie responsibility to saisile. Okay, so after Robert Clive, then came what, Warren Hastings. Okay, so Warren Hastings too tried to impose what, political authority over the India. Amar ki Warren Hastings o ki korisile, he also tried, tried korisile to suppress the Indian power. Indians buro jikhini power setu hodai dominate koribo bisarisile, and he tried to what, rule the Indian administration. So the Warren Hastings, okay, so for the first time Warren Hastings claimed himself as equal to the status of Mughal Emperor. So Warren Hastings e nijoke ki koisile je he was in the equal status, eta saman mane status ot ki koisile je moi Mughal Emperor hoy. Okay, so Warren Hastings what he did, so he for the first time claimed himself equal to the status of the Mughal Emperor. Calcutta, Bombay and Madras became the main administrative center for the East India Company after what, after the first phase, after the Battle of Plassey. Okay, so Battle of Plassey pisot amar ki hoisile Mumbai, Madras and Calcutta. Okay, these 3 administrative units were regarded as what? Main centers for the East India Company. So the chief administrator of these centers came to be known as president. Okay, so the chief administrator jikhini june saisile administrator jun asile, he became to known as what? President. Okay, and the administrative center, okay, the administrative center under the president came to be known as what? Presidency. So thus the East India Company became very powerful during the governorship of Warren Hastings. So now we will discuss about the beginning of Sepoy Mutiny. So previous it was a company's rule in India, how Robert Clive, how Warren Hastings, so they rule the Indian administration, they rule over the Mughal rulers. So now we will discuss about what? The beginning of Sepoy Mutiny. Beginning of So Sepoy Mutiny. Okay, so Sepoy Mutiny is a very important topic in the history of India. Okay, so Sepoy Mutiny is the first rebellion against the British in 1857. So jodio tumalokor yat besi bhalke discuss kora hua nai Sepoy Mutiny, so higher class tumaloke paba about Sepoy Mutiny. But what? Sepoy Mutiny is a main important event, amar India sobotke dangor event, but first event boli ami kobo paru, and it was what? Sepoy Mutiny. So Sepoy Mutiny took place in the year 1857. 1857 at hoisile. So it is important, jodio bookot nai tumaloke jani thwa better. So 1857 at Sepoy Mutiny started. So what happened, you see? Lord Canning took the governorship after Lord Dalhousie. So Lord Canning ki hoisile tumar Lord Dalhousie pisot ki loisile tumar eta governorship to তেওঁ হাতলৈ আহিছিলে. Okay, so during his period, okay, Lord Canning or period কি হৈছিলে, the rebellion started in the whole North India. Okay, eta rebellion start হৈছিলে pura North India. Okay, why? Because Ishwar Pandey along with Mangal Pandey was given what? A punishment to hang. Okay, hang mane to sentence disile eta kyo disile, because they were fighting for the Indian rights. Ishwar Pandey hok ba Mughal Pandey hok, তেওঁলোকে ব্ৰিটিছৰ যিবোৰ ভুল দেখা পাইছিলে সেইবোৰ তেওঁলোকে কি কৈছিলে, তেওঁলোকে দেখুৱাইছিলে, and for that reason Ishwar Pandey and Mangal Pandey together were given what? Capital punishment dia hoisile. And for this reason what happened, a rebellion started. A rebellion start hoisile in the whole North India, and slowly it started spreading in all over the India. Prothom North India start hoisile, then after North India it spread in whole over India. Okay, so the causes of rebellion lied in what? In the political, social and economic backdrop of the British administration. Okay, so Sepoy Mutiny start for main reason to asile, causes buri asile kisuman political, economic and social backdrop of the British administration. British administration e kisuman bhul korisile, politically hok, economically hok ba socially hok, kisuman bhul korar karone ki hoisile তোমার মানে কি Sepoy Mutiny বা ইন্ডিয়ানছৰ মাজত এটা ডিসস্যাটিসফ্যাকশন স্টার্ট হৈছিলে. Okay, so again আৰু এটা কাৰণ বেছি কৰিলে why the Mughal Empire. Okay, Mughal Empireৰ কি আছিল আগৰ দিনত যেটো কইন আছিল. Okay, so the picture of the Mughal Empire was scrapped from the coin under the company's rule in 1835. So 1835 ত ব্ৰিটিছে কি কৰিছিলে, তোমাৰ ইন্ডিয়াত যি মুগলৰ যেটো কইনত যিবোৰ পিকচাৰ্স আছিল সেই পিকচাৰ্সবোৰ কি কৰিছিলে, গুছাই দিছিলে. আৰু আলটিমেটলি কি যেতিয়া গুছাই দিলে তেতিয়া ইন্ডিয়ানছবোৰ কি হল, এটা ডিসস্যাটিসফ্যাকশন স্টার্ট হৈ গল মনত. তেওঁলোক এটা ভয় খালে যে যেহেতু ৰুলাৰ্সবোৰ কইনৰ পৰা তেওঁলোকৰ ইন্ডিয়ান ৰুলাৰ্সৰ যিবোৰ পিকচাৰ্স আছিল হেতু গুছাই দিয়া হৈছিল, আৰু যাৰ কাৰণে তোমাৰ কি হৈছে এটা মনত ডিসস্যাটিসফ্যাকশন এটা spirit for it means freedom eta ki hoisile start hoisile. Okay, again the previous rule of Lord Dalhousie. So jikhini homoy Lord Dalhousie asile, সো সেই সময়টো কি হৈছিলে ইণ্ডিয়ানছবোৰৰ ওপৰত এটা কি কৰা হৈছিলে বহুত এটা অপাৰেশ্যন এটা চলোৱা হৈছিলে এণ্ড আল্টিমেটলি অল দিছ লেড টু হোৱাট বিগিনিং অফ চিপয় মিউটিনি আৰু এই গোটেইবোৰ কাৰণ মিলি লাইক কাৰণবোৰ কি আছিলে কিছুমান পলিটিকেল আছিলে ছ'চিয়েল আছিলে ইকনমিক আছিলে এগেইন তোমাৰ ঈশ্বৰ পাণ্ডে মুঘল পাণ্ডেক তোমাৰ ফাঁচি দিয়াৰ কাৰণে কেপিটেল পানিছমেণ্ট দিয়াৰ কাৰণে খং উঠিছিলে যে মুঘলৰ যিটো পিকচাৰ্ছ আছিলে কইন্সবোৰত সেইটো স্ক্ৰেপ কৰি দিয়া হৈছিলে সো আল্টিমেটলি অল দিছ লেড টু হোৱাট বিগিনিং ক্ৰিয়েট আ ডিছছেটিছফেকশ্যন ইন দ্য মাইণ্ডছ অফ দি ইণ্ডিয়ানছ এণ্ড ফৰ ডেট ৰিজন হোৱাট দ্য স্পিৰিট অফ চিপয় মিউটিনি ষ্টাৰ্টেড অ'কে তাৰ পৰাই কি হৈছিলে চিপয় মিউটিনি লাহে লাহে কি তোমাৰ কি হৈছিলে ষ্টাৰ্ট হৈ গৈছিলে